Thank you for considering My Area Realty to manage your property in Palm Beach County. Our programs and services make owning a rental property in Palm Beach easy and profitable. Our goal is to increase our owners' ROI, and we do so with this low-cost approach. Our only two fees is the initial tenant placement fee when necessary and the monthly management. No other costs. Other property management companies charge things like a lease renewal fee, they mark up your maintenance, a cancellation fee. We don't have any of those costs. Your only two fees is the monthly management and the initial tenant placement. Upon signing a management agreement, we start to market your vacant property on websites like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, the local MLS, and our own FloridasPropertyManagement.com. Tenants are searching, looking, and finding your property on one of these websites. Tenants set up an appointment to view your home, and we schedule it with one of our board-certified real estate agents. Once the tenant makes an application through our website, we process it and check things like credit, criminal, eviction, income, rental history, and character references. Now that the tenant's living in the property, we continue our management by collecting rent. We offer online rent payment for the tenants to pay, or they can mail it or drop it off at our office. Each month, we do a direct deposit to the owner's account, accompanied by a monthly statement. Any sort of maintenance that comes up during the month, we contact the owner directly first to discuss and make the best repair possible. Picking the right tenant is the most important part of the rental process. That's why we employ our 7-step process to verify the tenant is the right tenant for your property. We check things like credit, criminal history, eviction history, rental history, income verification, a sex offender check, and character references. For credit. So now let's talk about evictions. Many owners contact us when the tenant is not paying rent in an effort to get the property back on track. Here's the eviction process should we need it. First, we attempt to make contact with the tenant. We notify the tenant that we're the new property manager, that rent now needs to be made to our company. If the tenant still does not make rent, we issue a 3-day notice. This gives the tenant 3 days to pay rent. Number 3, the tenant does not pay rent at the end of the 3 days. We advise the owner on the eviction process and begin it with a third-party attorney. We are not attorneys, yet we know the process and assist in helping our owners understand and guide them through it. We're now waiting for a final judgment and writ of possession from the court. Once this is issued, we'll meet a sheriff on the eviction day with our handyman to change the locks, take a video, and show the owner the condition of the property so we can get it cleaned up, repaired, and ready for a new qualified tenant. So how much does it cost? Well, we only have 2 fees, the tenant placement fee and the monthly management fee. We don't charge things like a startup fee, a lease prep fee, lease renewal, markup on maintenance. We have no cancellation fee, no hidden fees whatsoever. Your only 2 fees are the tenant placement and the monthly management. So visit us at FloridasPropertyManagement.com for more information.